Yo. What's good, Down Life family? Yo, I know. Yeah, today we switching it up today. Yeah, y'all see from the title today, we switching it up today. Yeah, man, we're bringing you some different content on the channel. Yeah, man, some videos that I enjoy watching, and I'm pretty sure you guys enjoy watching too. You know, I'm sharing some of the stuff that I like to watch, and you know, other family members on the channel like to watch. But today we're checking out my favorite comedians, Jamaican comedians. Yeah, man, y'all probably know who I'm talking about. Y'all probably familiar with his work. Yeah, man, he's very funny. Be hilarious. The man that make y'all your rule. You feel me? I'm talking about Kyng Tavii. And today we're checking out the Vender. You know what I'm saying? Kyng Tavii always have some funny, interesting, small skits going on, and it's all enjoying. You never tell can never tell where the story is going. You know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna check out the Vender and see what go on by Kyng Tavii. I don't know, guys. You don't know what time it is, bro. If you're here, time for you to sub up, you know what I'm saying? Get to this is the littest reaction channel over here with the Don Mafia. We don't play over here, you feel me? Definitely drop y'all comments in the comment section and let me know what y'all react to next. So, you know what I'm saying, y'all can get y'all shout outs, you feel me? I'm gonna pop y'all names up here on the screen. Up here on the screen. Pop y'all names up here and give y'all shout outs. So you definitely want to drop your comments. Let me know what country y'all watching from. Let me know what y'all want to react to next and what y'all like about it. Drop all your comments. You're going to get a shout out. You know what I'm saying? And if I react to your video, I'm going to shout you out as well. So definitely get engaged, guys. We're going to jump right in. This is Kyng Tavii, Vender. Yo, Kyng Tavii dope, dog. I look for me. I'm looking to die laughing. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the Kyng Tavii. The Vender.
Yeah, bless up for the orange them in a G.
Yeah, man, my general, same time tomorrow now. Yes, so the orange them selling up.
Alright.
Yeah, my general, we sell the sweetest orange them and lick on it, yeah.
Alright, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, same time tomorrow, yeah.
Alright, no say
Alright, my general.
Orange just sell, man. Orange just sell, man. What you talk about, man?
Come for the orange them. Same time tomorrow.
Girl, I'm a fade.
I mean, I sing up in cartel, I'll tell you.
Little later, be a chum change it, yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
A big orange and orange is too big, it have different.
All the orange look like June plums, so dog. Oh, go on.
Orange have to set different.
Them orange look well sour, dog.
$200 bag of orange. A bag of orange at $200. Two bills, get a bag of orange. $200 bag of orange. 200 a bag of orange. Baby, 200 a bag. $200 bag of orange. $100 get a bag of orange over here, sir.
Competition.
$100 get a bag of orange. $100. Sweetest orange them in Jamaica.
I look at the dog profit.
Send me a bag of them orange, you know.
Yeah, man, my general, hold this, man. My sweetest orange them in Jamaica,
That me hear you say, no.
Enjoy them, yeah, my general. The sweetest orange them back on the island now.
Competition, dog. No problem. Competition.
Yeah.
Alright, let's say a word,
Yeah, man, my general. I'm there every day, yeah. A bag of orange for $100. $100 a bag of orange. Bag of orange, the sweetest orange them in Jamaica. A bag of orange for $100.
Too early to that come for
$100
cheap orange.
give a bag of orange. A bag of orange for $100. $100 give a bag of orange.
Get some apple with it too.
$100 give a bag of orange. Apple, $200 bag of apple. Apple, $200 bag of apple.
Don't tell me.
$200 bag of $100 bag of apple, the sweetest apple in Jamaica.
Nah, me a fight. Me a fight, bro.
$100
Me
man.
a fight, cause I was here first, bro, selling my orange, right? Then you decide to come in and blow out, undercut my price, right? And then no, if we keep the peace, me decide to say, no, I'm low the orange thing, cause me can't go so cheap, so me get some apple. You see me, and then you come and fight the apple thing, but man, man.
Man, $100 is sexy, mama. Money for my brain, dog. Money for my brain, yo. 8 man ton. Money from my brain.
Where you come? Mango. Yeah, man.
Oh, you gone, you couldn't keep up. Fuck Kaya. I know I saw the market stay there. Fuck Kaya. Couldn't keep up. They think that's how the Vender thing going. Eh? My ground now.
$200 dozen banana. $200 banana.
Yo.
Sweetest banana them in
Nah,
Jamaica.
man.
$100 dozen. Brother, go
This nigga
suck
doing
your
on
mother,
purpose.
no man, youth.
For real.
I mean, I chat to. Brother, go suck your mother, dog. Everything me have you say, I say, brother. No man, I can't me deal, brother. Can't me, that me I tell you, can't me chat. With me, I'm a good time in the youth. I lick people and them face and them thing there now. Go suck your mother, go suck your mother, go suck your mother, go suck your mother, go suck your mother. Buy and sell back on me.
I give a four second and rap back a rapid. Easy no man.
Me grow my own thing them. Suck your mother. $50 dozen, $50 dozen banana, $30 dozen.
Blood clot.
Nah, bro, you're wicked. You're wicked, bro.
Yeah, my general, $30 dozen banana, no man. I'm tell man. Oh, you know no change. What you have? How much you have? 50. Me that time I give you $100, man.
Blood
Yeah, man.
clot.
Give me 50. $30 dozen, you know, but me just like give you half price. Said we.
Blood clot.
$20 dozen, $20 dozen banana.
For real, man.
See, they can give me same time, man. 2 dozen that they can give me $20 same way. $20 dozen, 2 dozen that me I give for $20 still.
Just take off
2
12.
dozen. A dozen banana for free.
Blood clot.
Yo,
Plus
nah,
them cheap,
dog.
you know. Yeah, give me a next dozen.
Wicked, nah, bro.
Give me a next dozen. I'm gonna give one of my birthday.
Nah, man, me have to dump in their face, man. Nah, dog, can you understand? You're not trying to make a profit for yourself. You're not trying to spite me at this point. Nah, bro.
Blood clot.
What some boy know about my customer? What some boy know my customer?
Yeah, I was some boy.
How them know about fruits and interples?
How them know about interples, brother?
None of them
dog.
can chat to me with my farmer badness. You know, I'm a farmer in a real life. You know that?
Straight.
Ja.
Dear man,
Oh,
tell
see, you
him
can't
man.
give me no
Ja,
chat.
ja.
Farmer badness, I do this.
Yo, bombo, yo.
Plans well tactics, strike at
Big
them
up,
active, no
big
fuck
up,
with them
big up.
cap,
Yo,
the shoes
that's
them, studs them active.
Yeah, man. Below,
Get your big actor, fuck your big actress.
I beat you, mash you up wicked, man. Cause I know you just come for bad man, me think that. You don't want, you know, you're not trying to make a profit for yourself or your family at that point, bro. You're just a bad mind thing, people. Well, yeah, man, guys, let me know what you think about that one. That was Kyng Tavii, the Vender. Yeah, man.
Now
Kyng Tavii
this
a very
is the
hilarious
best
comedian. Jamaican coming, very talented. Definitely go show him some love on sport. Let me know Jambisco dance send you. Yeah, man, guys. And definitely know what you want me to react to next and I'll get it done. You already know what time it is. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here another hit and smashing a banger. Like I said, guys, if you drop your comments, drop the country you're watching from, and definitely drop on you want to react to next. If I choose your video to react to next, I'll definitely give you a shout out and y'all will be seeing comments on the screen here, you know. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.